Air3's polycarbonate visor is ANSI Z87 Plus high impact, providing outstanding eye and face protection. Despite its strength, the polycarbonate visor can easily be scratched. To help maintain a clear field of vision and protect the visor, Air3 comes equipped with a disposable Tearoff film. To install, carefully peel off the 3 adhesive dots on the Tearoff film to expose the adhesive surface. Next, align the straight tab with the top of the visor. Then gently press down on the Tearoff, ensuring the adhesive dots make secure contact with the visor surface. When the Tearoff becomes scratched or dirty, it's time to replace. To do so, firmly grasp the straight tab at the top of the visor and pull away in a smooth motion. Dispose of the used Tearoff and replace with a new one.